Rob Trufant here, Executive Chef for Team Kellogg. And for our next experiential dining event, we want to show you how to enhance your in-room experience by utilizing your swipes every week to create some gourmet meals without the need for a gourmet kitchen. Why don't you guys come along with me through the store as we shop for some items and pick out what we're going to make. This is versatile stuff. One of those. Crucial. It's got to be good for you. That'll be good. If you haven't been to one of the experiential events yet, we've gotten great feedback, and you should join us for our next one. It's going to be a unique offering and a whole lot of fun full of surprises.